Hello, I'm Deborah Sedillo Dugan, and welcome to another Phoenix City Update. Phoenix's accommodating share ride system is about to make life a whole lot easier for those who use it. Dial a Ride allows Phoenix residents who are ADA certified to schedule trips to travel in small transit vehicles around the city. There's now some changes in scheduling a Dial a Ride. Joining us today to give us all the scoop is Jennifer Lugo. Jennifer is with the Public Transit Department. Jennifer, it's great seeing you.
Thanks, Deb.
Thanks for joining us today. So let's just start, build big picture. What is Dial a Ride and who can use it?
Well, Dial a Ride is a shared ride service for individuals who are unable to use the fixed route bus or light rail. You do have to go through a certification process to be eligible. Once you're certified, you can begin using Phoenix Dial a Ride.
Okay, so let's talk about the actual eligibility criteria, because there's a lot of people with different levels of disabilities.
So the Americans with Disabilities Act has some very specific requirements. You have to be unable due to a disability or a serious health condition to navigate independently the fixed route bus and light rail service. So there is a certification process you have to go through, and that's determined by the Valley Metro ADA certification staff.
Okay, excellent. And that's, I guess, plugged into a system somehow. There's a code, there's a number that you're assigned to when you go and make a reservation.
Absolutely. Once you're certified, that information is then shared with the Phoenix Dial a Ride service provider, and they'll get that information. You can start calling them. They'll have you entered into their system. And you call 253-4000 Phoenix Dial a Ride, let them know you've been certified, and you can begin scheduling trips within the Phoenix Dial a Ride service area.
Well, how exciting, because you can get a ride to the grocery store, to the doctors, if you're taking online classes to school, wherever you need to go.
Absolutely.
It's 7 days a week? What are the hours?
It is 7 days a week, and it matches fixed route bus service hours. So generally 4 a.m. to midnight each day.
Okay, now let's talk about the actual reservation part of it, because back in the day, and you still can make the phone call and make the reservation. How far in advance do you have to make reservations? What are the kind of the criteria or the stipulations, the do's and the don'ts for those reservations? And then let's just dive into and get into the new online scheduling.
Sure. Phoenix Dial a Ride, you can schedule your trips. Well, you must schedule your trips 1 to 14 days in advance. You can travel again within the service hours, 4 a.m. to midnight. You want to make sure you have your origin address, your destination address, and the time you want to be picked up, or if you need to get to an appointment by a certain time, you want to let them know that appointment time. You can call in during the reservation hours, but our new thing is you can use the online web portal for scheduling your trip.
And that's the exciting part, and that's why we're talking about this today, because Dial a Ride has been around for a while, but this online is new and kind of seamless and easy. And let's face it, not everybody has a computer, but most people do. So, and we're going to walk them through that at the end of the show on how easy it is to do that. But you can still call.
You still can call.
Okay.
But the online web portal is really convenient and easy to use. We went through it, worked hard to get it going, and made sure it was as easy to use as possible for our customers. So you still need all the same information as if you would call, where you want to go, the address, what time you want to be picked up, and if you're traveling with a walker, cane, wheelchair, there's an area for you to put that in. If you're bringing someone with you, if you're certified to have an attendant, the attendant can travel for free. If there's space available, you can bring a companion along as well. And each of you pay the same fee, which is $4 per trip each way.
Okay, and then I was going to ask you about the fee, so thank you for sharing that with us. So is there a pass that you can get on a monthly basis or a yearly basis that you could use as well?
Phoenix residents can also purchase a ADA Dial a Ride monthly pass. It's $65 per month for unlimited use on both Phoenix Dial a Ride and local bus service.
So this is great. You can go to your senior centers, you can go to community centers, you can go to your doctors, your groceries, wherever you want to go. Dial a Ride will take you. Now you did say 1 to 14 days in advance.
Yes.
So if I have a doctor's appointment the same day, maybe there's other ways that transit can help you get there through senior cab and other modes of transportation.
Exactly. Senior cab, ADA cab.
Sure, absolutely. We're going to get you where you need to go.
Right.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to add? This is so exciting.
It really is convenient and easy to use, and it lets people take ownership of scheduling their trips.
Yes, and their life. And I did want to mention one other thing too. You did say if they have a partner, a friend, a rider that can go with them and they don't need to be certified, but that person can also take the trip with them as well, just to clarify.
You can have an attendant that you might need someone to help
like
you.
a home health care nurse or somebody's that.
Exactly. Okay. That attendant has to be certified when you go through the certification process. If you don't have an attendant or don't need an attendant and just want someone to come with you, they have to go to the same places as you are. Same pickup and drop off location. And they pay the same fee.
Got it. Yeah, no, totally understand. If it's a husband, wife, but the wife doesn't drive, but the husband wants to accommodate because for whatever, And of course, service animals are all accepted as well.
They are. They are. Service animals are always accepted.
Well, thank you so much for everything you do for the city of Phoenix. This is really, really exciting. Transit is so key to any city and to get around town, obviously. So thank you again for joining us today and sharing all that great information.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
We really appreciate it. So during these busy, hot days of summer, it's important for everyone to have a source of transportation, and Phoenix Public Transit is your ticket. For information about Dial-A-Ride or reservations, you can call 602-253-4000 or TTY is 602-258-9980. Or you can go online at phoenix.gov/public transit. You also might qualify to use Dial-A-Ride as well. They're available 7 days a week to give you a lift. Take a look at this video and that will walk you through the booking and reservation service for your next trip. It's that easy. For City Update, I'm Deborah Sedillo Dugan.